Hi everyone, it's Carmelita and with online product reviews and how-tos, and I am super excited because I came across this great tool that I know you're going to be just as excited about as I am. We are building our YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe to it. Give me a thumbs up on this video and like and share. Now this is a great product. It helps enhance your YouTube channel. It's called TubeBuddy. And it does offer a free subscription, but there's other subscriptions that you can upgrade to provide yourself with more information to get your channel ranked on YouTube. It is really phenomenal. They also have videos here and a YouTube channel themselves where they provide online training as well. But when you get the subscription, you get far more training and far more access to different information to build your YouTube channel and to get it ranked. Now, whether you are a small business owner, a home-based business owner, direct marketer, network marketer, or you just want to brand yourself and be an author, a writer, this product is for you because it will help you to brand your product or to brand yourself and bring you in the 21st century and help you get your channel ranked on YouTube. This is super exciting. Now, if you're interested in getting your subscription to TubeBuddy, I do recommend it. Click the link below, enjoy, and tell me some of your comments. Share your comments on how it's helping you to grow your YouTube channel too. Now, don't forget to subscribe and talk to you later. Thank you for watching online product reviews and how-tos. Bye-bye.